Are you looking for the best shower filters? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best shower filters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, AquaHomeGroup 15 Stage Shower Filter. The AquaHomeGroup 15 Stage Shower Filter with vitamin C is designed for hard water and aims to remove chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, and reduce scale buildup while improving skin, hair, and nail health. It includes 2 cartridges and is compatible with standard wall-mounted, handheld, and rainfall showers. The multi-stage filtration system uses media such as KDF55, alkaline ceramic balls, activated carbon, and calcium sulfite to purify water. While the 15-stage label is largely marketing, the filter can help reduce skin irritation and limescale in hard water areas. Users should verify compatibility with local plumbing threads, consider cartridge replacement frequency, and be aware that claims like fluoride removal may be difficult to verify. The filter promises consistent water flow, but in low-pressure systems, flow may be affected. Overall, it is suitable for those seeking cleaner shower water, provided cartridges are accessible and it fits local plumbing standards. Number 2, Aqua Earth Shower Filter. The Aqua Earth Shower Filter for hard water is designed to remove chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, organics, and other sediments, while using vitamin C to help improve the condition of hair and nails. It features a multi-layer filtration system with media such as KDF55, activated carbon, calcium sulfite, and mineral ceramic balls, and is compatible with most standard showers including overhead, handheld, and rainfall types. The filter is marketed to reduce dryness, scalp irritation, and limescale in hard water areas, though its effectiveness for complete fluoride or heavy metal removal is limited. Cartridge replacement is recommended every 4 months to maintain performance, and users should ensure it fits their plumbing and that replacement cartridges are accessible. Overall, it serves as a water-enhancing solution to soften shower water and improve skin and hair feel rather than a full hard water treatment system. Number 3, AquaBliss High Revitalizing Shower Filter. The AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter, SF100 Chrome, is designed to reduce dry, itchy skin, dandruff, eczema, and improve the condition of hair, nails, and skin. It features a 12-stage filtration system including activated carbon, KDFI redox media, calcium sulfite, mineralized beads, ceramic vitamin C beads, zeolite, and stainless steel mesh, and infuses water with oxygen, vitamin C, and essential minerals. Compatible with most standard shower types, it is easy to install and marketed for enhancing shower water quality. While users report improvements in skin and hair feel, independent testing shows it reduces chlorine by about 75% and has limited effect on hard water minerals, meaning it may not fully address scale or mineral buildup. It is suitable for improving water feel and reducing chemical exposure, but is not a full water softening solution, and users should ensure it fits their plumbing and that replacement cartridges are available. Number 4, Aquasana Shower Filter. The Aquasana AQ4100 shower filter is a dermatologist recommended unit designed to improve skin and hair health by significantly reducing chlorine exposure during showers. It uses a combination of coconut shell carbon and copper zinc (KDF) media and is independently tested to reduce over 90% of chlorine for up to 6 months, or about 10,000 gallons of water. The filter installs on standard 1/2-inch shower arms and maintains high water pressure through its upflow design. Users report softer skin, less dryness, improved hair texture, and better color retention. While it is highly effective at reducing chlorine and some organics, it is not a complete solution for hard water minerals or heavy metal removal, and some installations may require an adapter for 90-degree shower arms. Number 5, Miniwell Shower Filter. The Miniwell Shower Filter 722 Plus L720 Plus is a shower head filtration system featuring a double filter design, including a PP cotton pre-filter for sediments and a composite activated carbon fiber filter that removes up to 99% of chlorine, trihalomethanes, and other contaminants while retaining beneficial minerals. It has a transparent base for monitoring filter condition and is suitable for hard water areas, although it does not reduce total dissolved solids and is not a full water softener. Users report noticeable improvements in water smell, softer hair, reduced skin irritation, and less dandruff. Due to its fine filtration, the cartridges may require more frequent replacement in water with high sediment levels. Overall, the Miniwell 720 Plus is effective for improving shower water quality and reducing chlorine exposure, but it may not fully address scale or high mineral hardness.